Did you know that in the United States alone, over 30 million people are currently unemployed or underemployed? That's a staggering number, representing individuals from all walks of life who are navigating the challenging terrain of the job market. But amidst the sea of resumes and cover letters, how can you stand out and secure your dream job? Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of career motivation and development. In this series, we'll uncover the secrets to success in the job search process, sharing practical tips, inspiring stories, and expert insights to empower you on your journey. From overcoming rejection to embracing diversity, each chapter offers valuable strategies and perspectives to help you navigate the twists and turns of your career path. So, whether you're a recent graduate, a seasoned professional, or somewhere in between, join us as we embark on this transformative journey together. Get ready to unlock your full potential, overcome obstacles, and chart a course towards a fulfilling and rewarding career. The adventure begins now. Let's dive in. Chapter 1: The struggle is real. Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through job boards, sending out resumes, and never hearing back? You're not alone. Job hunting can feel like an uphill battle, filled with uncertainty and frustration. According to a study by Glassdoor, the average job opening attracts 250 resumes, but only 2% of applicants land an interview. That's a daunting statistic, but it shouldn't discourage you. Instead, let it fuel your determination to stand out from the crowd. Remember, every rejection brings you one step closer to your dream job. As job seekers, we often face rejection and setbacks that can shake our confidence. But it's essential to stay resilient and keep pushing forward. In her book Grit, The Power of Passion and Perseverance, psychologist Angela Duckworth emphasizes the importance of grit, the combination of passion and perseverance, in achieving long-term success. So, dust yourself off, embrace the challenges, and keep hustling. Your perseverance will pay off in the end. Chapter 2: Embrace the journey. The road to your dream job may not be a straight path. It's okay to pivot, explore different opportunities, and take detours along the way. In fact, embracing the journey can lead to unexpected discoveries and growth. Steve Jobs famously said, "You can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backwards." So, trust that every experience, whether it's a part-time gig or a volunteer opportunity, is shaping you for the future. Research suggests that job satisfaction is closely tied to finding meaning and purpose in your work. According to a Gallup poll, only 15% of employees worldwide feel engaged at work, indicating a widespread dissatisfaction with current job situations. But you have the power to change that narrative. Take the time to reflect on your values, interests, and strengths. What drives you? What impact do you want to make in the world? Aligning your career with your passions will not only bring fulfillment but also increase your chances of long-term success. Chapter 3: The Power of Networking. In the world of job hunting, it's not just about what you know, but who you know. Networking is a powerful tool that can open doors to new opportunities and connections. According to a survey by LinkedIn, a whopping 85% of jobs are filled through networking. That's right, most job openings never even make it to the job boards. So, don't underestimate the value of building and nurturing professional relationships. Networking doesn't have to be intimidating. Start by reaching out to former colleagues, classmates, or industry professionals on platforms like LinkedIn. Attend networking events, industry conferences, and workshops to expand your circle and learn from others in your field. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Be genuine, offer support, and always follow up with a thank you note after making a new connection. Chapter 4: The Importance of Personal Branding. In today's competitive job market, personal branding can set you apart from the competition. Your personal brand is how you present yourself to the world, online and offline, and it plays a crucial role in shaping your professional reputation. According to a survey by Career Builder, 70% of employers use social media to screen candidates during the hiring process. That means your digital footprint matters more than ever. Take the time to audit your online presence and ensure it reflects your professional image. Update your LinkedIn profile with a professional photo, compelling headline, and keyword-rich summary that highlights your skills and achievements. Use social media platforms strategically to showcase your expertise, share industry insights, and engage with your network. And don't forget about the power of storytelling. Craft a compelling narrative that communicates your unique value proposition and resonates with potential employers. Chapter 5: Overcoming Rejection. Rejection is an inevitable part of the job search process, but it doesn't define your worth or potential. Instead of letting rejection discourage you, use it as an opportunity for growth and self-reflection. Remember, Even highly successful individuals have faced rejection at some point in their careers. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, famously received numerous rejection letters before finding a publisher for her iconic books. So, don't let setbacks derail your dreams. Stay resilient, learn from each experience, and keep pushing forward with determination. It's essential to develop coping strategies to manage the emotional impact of rejection. Practice self-care by engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, and mentors who can offer encouragement and perspective during challenging times. And above all, maintain a positive mindset and believe in your abilities. Your resilience in the face of adversity will ultimately lead you to success. Chapter 6: Continuous Learning and Adaptation. In today's rapidly evolving job market, continuous learning is essential for staying relevant and competitive. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, the top skills in demand are shifting towards critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, qualities that can't be automated. That's why lifelong learning is more important than ever. Whether it's acquiring new technical skills, staying updated on industry trends, or honing soft skills like communication and teamwork, investing in your personal and professional development is key to future-proofing your career. Embrace a growth mindset that views challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Seek out opportunities for professional development, such as online courses, workshops, and seminars, to expand your knowledge and skill set. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Innovation often happens at the intersection of different disciplines and experiences. By adopting a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation, you'll not only thrive in today's dynamic job market but also future-proof your career for whatever challenges lie ahead. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to help you navigate the ever-changing landscape of work and career development. Chapter 7: Goal Setting and Strategic Planning. Setting clear goals and creating a strategic plan is essential for achieving success in your career. Without a roadmap, it's easy to feel lost or directionless. Take the time to define your short-term and long-term career goals, considering factors such as your interests, values, and desired lifestyle. Break down your goals into actionable steps and create a timeline for achieving them. Research shows that individuals who set specific, challenging goals are more likely to succeed than those who have vague or undefined goals. In his book The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, author Stephen Covey emphasizes the importance of beginning with the end in mind, an approach that involves envisioning your desired outcome and working backward to determine the steps needed to get there. Once you've established your goals, regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances may change, so flexibility is key. Stay focused on your overarching vision while remaining adaptable to new opportunities and challenges along the way. By taking a proactive approach to goal setting and strategic planning, you'll set yourself up for success in your career journey. Chapter 8: Building Resilience and Mental Toughness. In today's fast-paced and unpredictable world, resilience and mental toughness are invaluable assets. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, adversity, and stress, while mental toughness is the capacity to persevere and maintain focus in the face of challenges. Developing these qualities can help you navigate the ups and downs of your career with grace and resilience. Research has shown that individuals with high levels of resilience are better equipped to cope with job-related stress, maintain a positive outlook, and bounce back from setbacks stronger than ever. In her book Option B, Facing Adversity, Building Resilience, and Finding Joy, author Sheryl Sandberg explores the concept of resilience and offers practical strategies for overcoming adversity and building resilience in the face of challenges. Chapter 9: Embracing Diversity and Inclusion. In today's globalized and interconnected world, diversity and inclusion are not just buzzwords, they're essential principles for building strong, innovative, and equitable workplaces. Research has shown that diverse teams outperform homogeneous ones, leading to greater creativity, innovation, and problem solving. Embracing diversity means valuing and celebrating differences in race, gender, ethnicity, sexual orientation, age, disability, and more. Companies that prioritize diversity and inclusion are not only more attractive to top talent but also more resilient and adaptable to change. In her book The Diversity Advantage: Fixing Gender Inequality in the Workplace, author Ruchika Tulshyan explores the business case for diversity and offers practical strategies for creating inclusive cultures where everyone can thrive. As job seekers, it's essential to seek out employers who prioritize diversity and inclusion and to advocate for these values throughout the hiring process. Look for companies with diverse leadership teams, inclusive policies, and a commitment to fostering a culture of belonging. By embracing diversity and inclusion in your career journey, you'll not only contribute to positive change but also unlock new opportunities for personal and professional growth. Chapter 10: Paying It Forward. As you navigate your career journey and achieve success, remember to pay it forward and lift others along the way. Mentorship is a powerful tool for personal and professional development, benefiting both the mentor and mentee. Research has shown that mentorship can lead to higher job satisfaction, career advancement, and increased confidence. In her book Lean In, Women, Work, and the Will to Lead, author Sheryl Sandberg emphasizes the importance of mentorship and sponsorship in helping women advance in their careers. Mentorship can take many forms, from informal coffee chats to structured mentorship programs. Seek out mentors who can offer guidance, support, and insights based on their own experiences and expertise. But mentorship isn't just about receiving, it's also about giving back. As you progress in your career, look for opportunities to mentor others, particularly those from underrepresented or marginalized backgrounds. Share your knowledge, skills, and experiences generously, and be a champion for diversity, inclusion, and equity in the workplace. By paying it forward, you'll not only make a positive impact on others but also create a ripple effect of success that benefits us all. Chapter 11: Work-Life Integration. Achieving a healthy balance between work and personal life is essential for overall well-being and long-term career satisfaction. The traditional concept of work-life balance implies a strict separation between work and personal life, but in today's interconnected world, achieving balance may look different for each individual. Instead, consider striving for work-life integration, a flexible approach that allows you to blend your professional and personal commitments in a way that aligns with your values and priorities. Research has shown that employees who have a sense of control over their work schedules and flexibility in managing their time report higher levels of job satisfaction and well-being. In her book Thrive, the third metric to redefining success and creating a life of well-being, wisdom, and wonder, author Arianna Huffington advocates for a holistic approach to success that prioritizes well-being, wisdom, and wonder alongside traditional measures of achievement. To achieve work-life integration, set boundaries, prioritize self-care, and communicate openly with your employer and colleagues about your needs and preferences. Take breaks throughout the day, prioritize activities that bring you joy and fulfillment outside of work, and disconnect from technology to recharge and rejuvenate. By striving for work-life integration, you'll not only enhance your overall quality of life but also cultivate a more sustainable and fulfilling career. Chapter 12: The Power of Gratitude. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to lose sight of the things that truly matter. Practicing gratitude, a conscious appreciation for the people, experiences, and blessings in your life, can have profound effects on your well-being, relationships, and outlook on life. Research has shown that individuals who regularly practice gratitude experience greater levels of happiness, resilience, and overall life satisfaction. In her book The Happiness Advantage: How a Positive Brain Fuels Success in Work and Life, author Sean Achor explores the science of happiness and the transformative power of gratitude. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life and expressing gratitude for the blessings you have, you can rewire your brain for happiness and unlock a wealth of benefits in both your personal and professional life. Incorporate gratitude into your daily routine by keeping a gratitude journal, writing thank you notes, or simply taking a moment each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. Cultivate an attitude of appreciation and abundance, even in the face of challenges or setbacks. By embracing the power of gratitude, you'll not only enhance your own well-being but also uplift those around you and create a more positive and fulfilling work environment.